Do what you said you was gonna do them years ago. I'm really doing this. Like, this will be my first collection. And I'm coming bare, fresh out of washing my hair, just letting my hair naturally curl up how it wants to, how it's supposed to. And I'm just in such a great space of being human and creative and existing in a world where I am so small yet so big. And so, yeah, I'm grateful to be here. It has not been something that I don't even know. I'm just here and I'm really doing this. Like, indulging in my art, indulging in myself, finding new ways that scare me in the best way. Like, to actually be scared of doing exactly what it is that you want to do and said you was gonna do. The scared feeling isn't necessarily just like a fearful scared. It's a scared of like, it's no going back. And I don't know what's to come from stepping out on true faith, as well as not thinking so much. And that's part of this collection, is getting out of my mind, getting out of my own thoughts. You see the drip? Getting out of my own thoughts, getting out of my own way. So clearing out the mind to just be. So I'm excited. I'm proud of you, girl. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. So yeah, this is dope. I'm excited. Do what you said you was gonna do years ago. Do it. Just do it. Like, literally just do it. Like, why not? It ain't no telling what's about to happen in this world. Just do what it is that your heart has been telling you to do. And it don't have to just be a creative aspect of painting. It can be so much. The way that you said that you was gonna stop eating the same way that you've been eating, and you wanna try new things as in a healthy way, or actually going out by yourself, just doing these things that you said you was gonna do. Do it. All right. Peace.